Well, one of the world's largest religious and cultural gatherings, the Mahakumbh, is set to commence on January 13th with the Posh Purnima Snan and will conclude on February 26th along with Mahashivratri. This congregation primarily includes ascetics, saints, sadhus, sadhvis and pilgrims from all walks of life. Let's explain to you what exactly is Mahakumbh. The Mahakumbh Mela is a mass Hindu pilgrimage and has been taking place for thousands of years with its origins in Hindu mythology. Now, in Hindu creation myths, the gods and demons fought over a kumbh, which is a pitcher containing the nectar of immortality. But during the fight, 4 drops of that liquid fell onto earth. One at Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh, one at Haridwar in Uttarakhand, one at Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh and one at Nashik in Maharashtra. So then how is the Kumbh site determined? So it's at these 4 places that I mentioned that the Kumbh Mela is held in rotation once every 4 years. Each site celebration is based on a distinct set of astrological positions of the sun, the moon and the Jupiter. In the Sanatan tradition, an auspicious time for every important venture is determined by relating planetary movements to life on Earth. Now, the foremost planet that fixes the time of Kumbh is Jupiter, which is associated with learning and with wisdom. Since Jupiter moves through one zodiac sign in 1 year, it returns to the same sign after 12 years. Now, there are also different types of Kumbh. There's the Kumbh Mela, which occurs once every 4 years, rotating among 4 locations, which I mentioned earlier of Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain and Nashik. There's the Ardh Kumbh, which takes place every 6 years and is held only in Prayagraj and Haridwar. The Purna Kumbh refers to the full Kumbh Mela held once every 12 years. It takes place on the banks of the Sangam in Prayagraj. Prayagraj district, formerly Allahabad, holds immense spiritual significance due to these mythological roots and its geography. It's home to the Triveni Sangam, which is the sacred confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati rivers, revered as Hinduism's holiest site. The Mahakumbh is celebrated after 12 full Kumbh Melas or the Purna Kumbh. So what you're seeing now is occurring once in 144 years and hence is highly revered. So as part of, in fact, the Mahakumbh, you have this sacred Shahi Snan. The Shahi Snan stands as the central highlight of the Kumbh Mela and represents the pinnacle of the celebration. It's believed that a Shahi Snan or a holy dip in this river during the Mahakumbh can flush away all of one's sins and is particularly effective in providing moksha or emancipation from the cycle of birth and death. While it's considered sacred to take a holy dip in the holy waters throughout the Prayagraj Mahakumbh, there are specific dates that hold special significance, and these dates witness magnificent processions. You'll have saints, their disciples, members of various akhadas, religious orders essentially coming together. So when does the Kumbh Mela actually date back to? Historically, the first reference was actually found in the writings of a Chinese traveler, Zhuangzhang, who had traveled to India way back in the 7th century. And in his writings, he spoke about the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. This Chinese writer had also recorded that more than 5 lakh people, which is a huge number back then, traveled to Prayagraj to participate in this festival, to bathe in the sacred waters, which resonated with the Kumbh Mela. So essentially, it's been going on since time immemorial. The Mahakumbh is rare, and this is what makes it most spiritually significant. It stands as a testament to the transcendence of time. And because it happens once every 144 years, this is truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience.